Hello everyone, welcome to Edukemy's YouTube page. I am Dimple Nankani, and in this video we bring you some tips that you should adopt to avoid distraction while you are studying for your examination. Watch the video till the end as it contains a beautiful message which will bring a change in not only your exam preparation but also your perspective towards life. We've made series of such videos in YouTube which do not only provide content to the student but also helps the student, motivates the student and aids their preparation. For more such video, click the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. So let's get back to the video. The agenda of the video is that the tips that you should adopt to avoid distraction and staying focused while studying for your UPSC CSE examination. So first let's understand, why are you distracted? What is that distracts you from your preparation? So if I look into the diagnosis, there are 4 or 5 things which actually gets you distracted from your preparation. One of them that is you lack motivation to study. Okay, you don't feel like studying, don't feel like getting up, it's winter time, so there's a lack of motivation. The other issue that many candidates face is the faulty targets. You want to complete everything within 6 months, 2 months, 1 month. So faulty targets also distracts you from your preparation. The third common issue is you cannot concentrate while you are studying. So lack of concentration, which is one of the agenda, which is one of the reason for the distraction. And there is problem of plenty of resources, the websites, the YouTube channels, books. So you suffer from the problem of plenty. And last but not the least is there's too much pressure that you have put on to yourself. So these are 4 or 5 things that actually distracts you while you are preparing. So there's too much of resource, what to focus upon, you cannot concentrate, too much of pressure, faulty targets, and at the end you become demotivated to study. So how do we tackle each of these issues? So first, let's analyze why are you lacking the motivation. Remember that the future starts today and not tomorrow. So if you want to build a good future for tomorrow, you need to start today, because the action that you take in the present day will determine the results of tomorrow. So the future starts today and not tomorrow. So when I say that you lack motivation, now what happens is, as the mains examination is over, you feel that okay, there's enough of time for you to prepare for prelims. Some of you still want to continue your mains preparation and then delay your prelims preparation. So you are distracted in the sense that what to study. There's lack of motivation. So yes, because there's no pressure for now that what is the next stage. Because the mains examination is over, those who have given the examination, please motivate yourself, gear up for your prelims, set a target and then start preparing. The lack of motivation should not be a distraction for your studies. So yes, the time to relax is over. 4 months for your prelims examination. So start from today so that you can reap the results tomorrow. The second thing is one of the issue is target setting. What happens is many of us do not set rational targets. So because we do not set rational targets, because there's lack of rational targets, we divert ourselves. So it is important to set the targets correct. What can be done is, because you have around 4 months for your prelims, you can start backward. Like in this 4 months, for the initial last month, I will do this. For the last 2 months, I will do this. For the last 3rd month, I will do this. So go for backward calculation and set rational, specific, smart targets so that you are not distracted. Once you have set the target, once your target is on the right thing, put it on the calendar. Once you put it on the calendar, you will implement it. So plan in this, when I say target, plan for the number of revision, plan for the number of tests. You need to improve your focus so that you have rational targets and you are sticking to the targets. One of them is have the rational targets and put it on the calendar so that it is tick mark and there is no distraction. So once you motivate yourself that you have to do something, it's 4 months, then set your rational targets and stick to it. Now what happens is, many of you, because there's plenty of resources, are unable to concentrate. So that I would advise two things. One is the reason for the lack of concentration is we are using excess of social media, from YouTube to Twitter to whatnot, to Instagram. So what we can do is, so that we have to concentrate, we have to fulfill our targets, what we can do is we can install few apps wherein we'll not have to focus too much on the social media. So install few apps which avoid your excessive use of the social media. And one of the very good technique which can help you improve your concentration is the Pomodoro technique. So this Pomodoro technique, study for 50 minutes, then break for 10 minutes, study for 25 minutes and take a break for 5 minutes. Here what will happen, if you study for 15 minutes, take a break of 10 minutes, then study for 25 minutes, take a break of 5 minutes, it is seen that your concentration will increase. So that if your concentration increases, you are less distracted. So use some of the social media apps which helps you focus on your study and does not divert towards the excessive use of the social media. Followed by, yes, it's not just the plenty of apps in the social media. Problem of plenty is everywhere, be it books, be it test series, be it current affairs. Current affair is a huge lot in itself. So what to focus upon? Our suggestion to you would be focus on one or two important resources. One material or two material is good enough to go for. For current affairs, we have our daily newsletter Gazette, which covers the current affairs extensively. We come up with video every evening, so you can use that one source for your current affairs. Even for your static, don't read n number of books for the same topic. Stick to one static book, revise it at least 4-5 times rather than reading 4-5 books. Please restrict your reading to one particular source. Even for your test papers, one good test series with multiple revision will help you. So please stick to one or two resource and do not go for plenty of resources without revision, because then that will distract your preparation. Followed by, one of the main reason why students get distracted is because they take too much of pressure. This too much of pressure makes them question their journey, makes them question their efforts every single day. So there's lack of motivation. It's the vicious cycle that continues. So what it says that don't fear failure. The saddest summary of the life contains 3 descriptions. I could have, I might have, and I should have. Let's not use these words. Let's do it. Let's fulfill our dream. Let's work like we are living our dream, right? So don't take too much of pressure. It is some experience that you have to take, you have to understand, you have to learn, and you have to move on. So hope for the best, but prepare for the worst. If you want to know about our programs, the website link is available. Come and do visit our website. For more such video, stay tuned to our channel.